The Dog and the Bone. Once there was a dog who found a big bone. He was very happy and decided to take it to a safe place. He picked up the bone in his mouth and ran away. On his way, he came across a bridge over a river. He looked down and saw his reflection in the water. He thought it was another dog with a bigger bone. He became greedy and wanted to have both bones.